Hey everybody, this is Tammy the Fibonacci Princess, and I just thought I would give you a quick update on gold. This is a 30-minute chart, but it is going to give you some smaller swing resistance that you would not see if it was a daily chart. So we did get through the 15-minute chart resistance yesterday, so now I have gone up to a 30-minute gold chart to look for resistance, and the next level I have for you is 18.15 to 17, and then after that 18.19 all the way through 22, and then another symmetrical resistance at 18.27. And don't forget that I have these charts live in my trading room all day long. This is just an example of what it is that we do here in the Fibonacci room at Simpler Trading. And I hope all of you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and I will see you in the room Monday if you are in our trading room. If you are not, please come and join us in the Fibonacci room at Simpler Trading. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.